Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce your vulnerability to scams with BlockFi, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by educating yourself about common scams. Understand that scams can take many forms, including phishing emails, fake websites, and fraudulent social media accounts. Use official sources to verify information about BlockFi. Navigate to the official BlockFi website to familiarize yourself with their services. Create strong, unique passwords for your BlockFi account. Make use of a password manager to securely store your passwords. Enable two-factor authentication on your BlockFi account. This extra layer of security helps prevent unauthorized access. Be cautious of unsolicited emails or messages claiming to be from BlockFi. Always confirm the sender's email address is legitimate. Avoid clicking on links from unknown senders. Instead, manually type the URL into your browser. Monitor your financial accounts regularly for unusual activity. Report any suspicious transactions immediately. Stay informed about the latest scams targeting cryptocurrency users. Follow reputable news sources or online forums dedicated to cryptocurrency. Consider setting up alerts for your BlockFi account notifications. This ensures you receive timely updates about your account. Be wary of offers that seem too good to be true. Scammers often use enticing offers to lure victims. Confirm the legitimacy of any promotional offer with official BlockFi communications. If you encounter a scam, report it to BlockFi and relevant authorities. Sharing your experience can help others avoid similar pitfalls. Engage with the BlockFi community for support and information. Connecting with others can provide insights into security measures and best practices. Educate friends and family about how to protect themselves against scams. Awareness is a powerful defense against fraudulent activities. By taking these proactive steps, you can significantly reduce your vulnerability to scams involving BlockFi. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.